Good morning, guys. I'm just going to deviate from the norm a little bit. We're not going to talk about Claude today. We're going to talk about AutoCAD 2027 latest release and their AI functionality. We're going to talk about how you can actually code Lisp routines using it. Pretty impressive, actually. I'm very surprised at the results. It actually is working pretty well for a free version of AI, as long as you have a paid subscription to Autodesk and using AutoCAD. So let's jump right into it. So I wrote a prompt, and the prompt is write a simple Lisp routine that creates a circle diameter starting out at 10, and then have it placed on the layer Ciano, and I want it to place as many circles as I would like, and have each circle increase in diameter by increments of 1. Let's run the prompt. Pretty comparable speed-wise to Claude. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. It's already done. It's already created the Lisp routine. So I'm just going to hit copy. I'm going to go to my notepad. Go ahead and just throw it into my notepad. Paste, file, save as. Just going to drop it onto a empty folder on my desktop. You can call it whatever you want. C10 circle. Spell circle correctly. It's got to be saved as a Lisp routine. It's got so LSP. It does not tell me that, so that's something you got to just know in advance. I'm sure it could walk you through that. So I'm going to save it as a Lisp routine. I'm going to go ahead to that folder, and then I'm going to just drag and drop right into AutoCAD. Always load. The command is incremental circles, so I'm going to type incremental circles. Starting point here, and then as you can tell, the circles are getting bigger. Again, very impressed with the accuracy of AutoCAD's Lisp routine. So again, this is just using the LLM, or the large language model. So this is not automating anything for you, but this will help speed up some of your tasks.